This is a simple example of how you can lose customers. I have one of my friends coming to me. He has a quotation business. He puts up blinds, safety gates, doors, electric motors for gates, all of that stuff. So it's more not like a walk-in customer buys something. They have to phone. He goes out, gives a quotation, shows the examples, they order, the EFT or pay him, and he comes in and installs. So it's not like a store where someone comes in, buy and leaves. And he tells me, Michael, my revenue is decreasing monthly. What can I do? I tell him, okay, let's just do a simple test. Give me your landline number. I want to order a gate. Gives me the number, taps it into my phone, and I phone. This is the third ring. By the fourth, I'm hanging up. And he's like, why did you hang up? I told him, okay, watch my business. Type in my number on your phone, phone my office. Hi, this is Michael Bester's office. I can assist you. How is your day? That's the difference. We found out that the lady that works for him is more on her phone than answering the company's phone. That's dangerous, nee? Maybe she is a good lady. Maybe she is excellent helping walk-in customers. But his main income is customers phoning for quotations. She is not answering the phone. And he's losing money every single day. I did a test. In 20 seconds, we found the problem that is stealing his income. Watch out for small bugs like this. It can seriously damage your business. Enjoy your day.